Oh, this is gonna be cute. What's up, y'all? It's currently about 2:31 in the morning, and I'm just now getting to my hair, and I still have an online exam to take before I go to sleep. So we're gonna try to make this quick today. Just pray for me. So yeah, we're gonna jump right into this. So I'm starting off with pretty much wet hair. I am fresh out of the shower, and I'm going to first part a section up at the top that I want to be left out, and then I'm gonna go through my whole head, brush it out, and condition it all with the Cantu leave-in, and then I'm also going to oil my entire scalp with wild growth oil. So yes. This is not at all going to be a perfect part. I'm just trying to make it look decent. And that's just what it's going to have to be. I'm going to try to make 4 twists with all of the hair in the back. So I'm just going to split it into 4 sections and go from there. Oh, look at that. It's not open yet. Okay, so now that I've got the back all twisted up and everything, I'm going to go into the top and basically same thing, condition it, detangle, and then I'm gonna actually brush it up into a little ponytail up there. Okay, so now that I have it all gathered up at the top, I'm just gonna put it into a ponytail. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I feel like I look like literally 5 years old. Like, this is the hairstyle I used to wear. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this overnight, and then in the morning I will tweak it, add finishing touches and everything like that. Yeah. Okay, so I am back. It's the next day. I am well rested. I did good on my exam, by the way. And I'm gonna be finishing up my hair. I just overnight had it in a bonnet. My twists are nowhere near dry, but it's fine. And have my wrap cap on top. And this is kind of what we're looking like as of right now. This is my first time doing this, y'all. Like, bear with me. I'm going to pin everything in the back here so that it's relatively flat. I'm not too worried about it being just the flattest thing ever, but I'm gonna try to make it as flat as I possibly can. Okay. Very good. So I'm gonna spin around and show y'all what I have back here. I don't even know what it looks like. I just kind of put it some kind of way. And yeah, I'm gonna try to take a wig cap and put it on here. See what that does. I just have this brown wig cap. I don't know what I'm doing, Lord Jesus. I mean, I guess, like, there's not really a purpose for it to be there, but we'll go ahead and leave it as is. I don't know. And now I'm gonna take the Outre Dominican Curly in the color 4. Okay, it's brand new out the box. Listen, y'all, I have actually had this for years, and I've just been too afraid to wear it, but we're gonna try it today. Hopefully it works out and I'm not sad and disappointed. And I got it in the color 4, which, if you see here, is pretty much my exact color. Yeah, I'm gonna try to pop this bad boy on and see what happens. Kind of hurts, I'm not gonna lie. And then I'm gonna try to use the adjustable straps. Yeah, I have literally never put on a wig before. I don't even know how adjustable straps work, but they look like bra straps. So, oh, you have to take them. How do people do this without looking? They make this look so easy. It's better, but it could still be tighter, like a lot tighter. So here we go, take 3. The wig looks really good though. Like, she's cute. She's really cute. Like, I can kind of sense that this is gonna come out well and turn out well for me. So let's just hope I'm correct. Okay, come on. This is it. Oh, this is gonna be cute. Okay, I'm excited now. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, okay, I'm getting hot. Let me turn this on. So now that we have the wig on, I'm going to take some bobby pins and secure it a little bit more on the sides over here. Now I'm going to take something from up here, a few pieces, and add them to this ponytail. And I kind of want to only grab from the center. Okay, that looks good to me. So I'm going to gather it up here at the top. I'm just going to tie it in to the ponytail I've already made. Okay, all right. Love it, love it. Looking good. Now, for the final step, I'm just going to take this, unravel it, and then wrap it around to cover all this up right here. I feel like it's too long. I want to get it to about here, but I'm not that skilled, so I'm not going to even attempt that. But otherwise, I think it's cute. I think it looks good. So let me give y'all a 360. And of course, I'm gonna have to separate the curls a little bit later. But yeah. So, oh wait, before we go, I'm gonna do my edges. Toothbrush, and I'm going to use the Eben 24-hour. This is an extra mega hold, and just do some really quick edges. And it was super duper cheap. I got it on samsbeauty.com. I want to say it was like maybe $11. I gotta say I really like it. First impressions, I'm giving it like a 12 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little like quick video. And y'all, if you are thinking about trying this and like something's holding you back, please try it. Please try it, because I have been wanting to do this hairstyle for years. Bought these wigs years ago so that I could do it, and my like fears and insecurities were stopping me from doing it, because I just hate putting all my time and effort into a hairstyle for it to fail. That's a different kind of hurt. But y'all, look how it came out. So really quickly, I did want to show y'all that I kind of cut it. I cut all those longer straggly ends off, and then I just went through and kind of brushed through some of the curls so they weren't so uniform. But this is what it's looking like. Yeah, I love it. I think it's so cute. The color's perfect. I just love it. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Shout out to everybody. I had fun.
I gotta be good.
Okay, bye.
I forgot.
They told me to be good
TF.
tonight.
Dot. I'm out.
They told me to be good.